Hello everyone, it's Teacher Ima. You're welcome to today's video. Today we are going to look at how to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Let's go. We are going to convert 5 out of 2 into a mixed fraction. To do that, we are going to look at the multiples of the denominator, which is closer to the numerator. We are going to write the multiples of the denominator, which is closer to the numerator, and then we write the remainder as the numerator. Remember, we said that a mixed fraction is a number that has a whole number attached to a fraction. So with a mixed fraction, it has a whole number, a numerator, and a denominator. So for example, looking at 2 and then looking at 5 here, realize that there is no multiple of 2 that gives you 5. But you realize that 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give you 4. 4 is closer to 5 because 4 remainder 1 is going to give you 5. So you are going to use 2 multiplied by 2. So we are going to maintain our denominator, which is 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by the whole number 2 is going to give you 4. Then you write your remainder as your numerator. So converting 5 out of 2 to a mixed fraction, you are going to get 2 whole number or 1 out of 2. Let's look at another example. To convert 12 out of 5 to a mixed fraction, remember we said that we are going to look at the multiples of 5, which is going to be closer to the numerator. So multiples of the denominator, and we are going to look at the number which is closer to the numerator, and then we'll write the remainder as the numerator. For this example, we are going to convert 12 out of 5 into a mixed fraction. Remember, to do that, we have to always maintain our denominator, which is 5. Always maintain your denominator, which is 5. Now, to identify the associate whole number and then the numerator for the mixed fraction, what you have to do is that you have to look at the multiples of 5 that is closer to 12. Realize that 5 multiplied by 2 is what? 10. It is closer to 12. So 10 remainder what? 2. Is 10 remainder 2, that is closer, that will give you 12. So your 5 is already your denominator. Your 2 here will become your whole number. And then your remainder, which is 2, becomes your numerator. So converting 12 out of 5 into a mixed fraction, you are going to get 2 whole number, 2 out of 5. For our very last example, we are going to convert 127 out of 10 into a mixed fraction. How do we do that? Well, remember, we said that we are going to look at the multiples of 10 that is closer to our numerator. We realize that 10 multiplied by 12 is going to give us 120. And 120 is the closest multiple that is to 127. So we are going to get 120 remainder 7. You see it? Because we are looking at the multiples of 10 that is closer to the numerator. We are saying that 10 multiplied by 12, it is going to give us 120 remainder 7. We are saying that the first thing to do is always to maintain your denominator, that is the 10, and then write your other number, the multiple of 10, which is closer to the numerator. So here is going to be the 12. So 12 is the other number, and then the remainder, which is 7, is going to be your numerator over here. So to convert a number from improper fraction to mixed fraction, always look for the multiples of the denominator that is closer to the numerator and write the remainder as the numerator for the mixed fraction. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for your views, for your comments, for your subscription. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let me hear from you at the comment section. And until I see you again for our next lesson, this is Teacher Ima. Bye-bye.